This is a video showing you how to replace the printed circuit board in the display unit over here, known as the MCB unit. Now first of all, before you undertake a job like this, always switch off the treadmill at the back here, like that, and unplug the cable from the mains. Alright? Now, using the wrench provided, this is the wrench, remove both inner bolts at the inside of these handlebars. You can see this one is actually in here like that. So turn it in an anti-clockwise manner, remove it over here, and do the same for the other side. So I have both of them over here. Okay? And on the outer side of the handlebar, you have to use the spanner to secure the nut on this side, and using the wrench undo the bolt on this side, you see, again in an anti-clockwise manner, and you have the nut and the bolt over here, and do the same for the other side. Now you are able to remove the entire handlebars unit, and there is a cable. Note there's a cable in one of the columns over here, and disconnect the cable by pinching the tabs on both sides over here, and also with your thumb on this side. Undo the cable over here and take out the entire unit and put it on the running board like that. Now, using the wrench provided, remove the fastening screws along the bottom side of this handlebars over here. Okay, the screws that are to be removed are this position: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10 screws to be removed. Using the wrench provided, unscrew each and every one over here. 1, 2, several rounds, several revolutions of this. You see, once you've done that, then you can move the bottom cover like that. Remove the bottom cover like that. Okay. Now look at these electrical connectors over here. There are 4 of them. You can proceed to disconnect these. First of all, pinch a little tab here with your thumb, and then with your thumb and fingers, that will disconnect the big black one, and do the white one, and these other 2. It doesn't matter which ones you do first. Okay, 2 black ones. Two little black ones. Okay, now proceed to undo the 4 the 4 screws that are holding the top cover of the handlebars together. That's one over here. That's the second one over here. The third one over here. And the 4th one over here. Okay, now before you remove the top cover of the handlebars, you have to snip this wire grip with a pair of scissors over here. Okay, you need to free the white cable over here so that you can actually remove the cover. Now I'm going to do it like that. So the white cable stays with the cover over here. Then you can remove the bottom cover like that. So the bottom cover goes off like that. Now proceed to unfasten the screws at the back of this display unit using the wrench. Now there are 14 screws altogether. 6 of them along the bottom of the cover, 2, 4, 6, and 8 of them along here. You see, 3 along here and 2, so 14 altogether. Now I've already loosened up all the screws over here, so I'm just going to lift it like that. Okay. Now before you remove it completely, there are 2 connectors here you need to release before you can take the cover off completely. One of them is around here like that, and the other one is over here like that. Okay. Next up, disconnect the cables along the printed circuit board, the PCB, like this. You see, the one on the right, disconnect by pinching the tab on the top there, moving it like that, and then this one in the middle, the one with the round cable, pinch it like this, and the third one is actually, there's a mini printed circuit board. Remove the connector there. Then using a screwdriver with a very small Phillips screwdriver, undo the retaining screws. There are 6 retaining screws along here. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 5, and 6. So gently remove the PCB. All the cables should come off like that. There are 4 connectors from under this bar here that you should remove.